The stolen Enigma. In the heart of the city stood the renowned Callister Museum, home to some of the world's most exquisite artifacts. Its reputation extended far and wide, drawing tourists and scholars alike. But it was also known for something else, a string of unsolved museum thefts that had left both the authorities and the public baffled. Detective Evelyn Hart had been assigned to the case. Her reputation for solving complex mysteries preceded her, and she was determined to unravel the enigma of the museum thefts. The latest target was a legendary gemstone known as the Starlight Opal, a mesmerizing gem said to hold mysterious powers. The museum had an elaborate security system, making the thefts all the more intriguing. Each time, the thief managed to disable the cameras and alarms without leaving a single trace. The city was buzzing with theories, but Evelyn knew better than to rely on speculation. She immersed herself in the investigation, spending nights poring over security footage and museum layouts. One evening, as she was reviewing footage from the most recent theft, something caught her eye: a shadowy figure moving subtly in the background just before the alarms went offline. It was a small detail easily missed, but Evelyn's intuition told her it was significant. Digging deeper, she discovered a pattern. Each theft had occurred during the museum's annual gala, when the city's elite gathered to admire the artifacts. Evelyn realized that the thief must be someone who had access to the museum's inner workings, someone who could easily blend in with the guests. As the next gala approached, Evelyn hatched a plan. She set up hidden cameras throughout the museum, focusing on the areas with the most valuable pieces. The night of the gala arrived, and tension hung in the air as Evelyn discreetly monitored the screens. As the clock struck midnight, the Starlight Opal glowed brilliantly in its display case. Evelyn's heart raced as she watched the crowd, searching for any signs of the shadowy figure. Evelyn sprang into action, weaving through the gala attendees with determination. She cornered the man just as he was about to slip away, his expression a mixture of surprise and resignation. The jig was up. In a quiet room away from the gala's bustle, Evelyn confronted the thief, who introduced himself as Adrian. But what happened next took even Evelyn by surprise. Adrian confessed to the theft, admitting that he was fascinated by the challenge of outsmarting the museum's security. However, he revealed a twist that no one saw coming: the stolen artifacts were replicas, meticulously crafted by him. Adrian explained that the real artifacts were safe, hidden in a secret chamber within the museum itself. He had wanted to expose the vulnerabilities of the security system without actually causing harm. Evelyn was taken aback by his audacity and creativity. The story of the stolen Enigma spread throughout the city, captivating the public's imagination. Adrian's actions, though illegal, had a strange way of making people see the museum in a new light. The security was overhauled, and the real artifacts were given even greater protection. As for Adrian, he faced consequences for his actions, but his story became a legend in its own right: a tale of suspense, ingenuity, and a plot twist that turned a notorious thief into an unexpected hero. And so, the Callister Museum stood once again, a symbol of wonder, intrigue, and a story that defied expectations.